And when I say breakup sex.
Sorry?
दिमाग की बत्ती 2 मिनट बाद जली है.
Should try at least once.
Should try at least once. Okay, you should try it at least once with the partner you have just broken up or
Yeah.
with a random person rebound.
Whoever walks in first. Great.
Great.
Why not?
Hooking up with an ex's best friend would be like a breakup sex. I wouldn't like do it with the same guy I broke up with.
For people,
Like-
breakup sex.
Like at the
I
end of it,
think
I'll probably strangle him. So like, I think it should be a little more aggressive,
the wild.
but not the Christian Grey aggressive. That is like too much.
But it should be wild.
Yeah, I think
Because-
so. No.
If you are doing it with the person you just broke up with, then it's not a breakup, I feel.
Yeah.
But
That's the
yeah,
point. I
exactly.
agree with you.
Yeah.
You can't.
You just feel stuck in there. That's
You can't just break up, have sex, and break up and go.
Exactly. And if you're
As you
doing
said,
it,
flames are left.
exactly. And if you're doing it with someone else, and if you don't feel guilty at all, then
That was not love.
you're single, bro. Back to the singlehood.
What's the point? You've been with the guy for like what? So many times. अभी भाई खत्म
But
हो गया.
एक last जो होता है ना, एक last nail in the coffin.
Next
Closure.
nail in the coffin should be in the head. That's all.
I feel like it's unhealthy.
Unhealthy.
Yeah, because then if the sex is amazing, they might just rethink that decision and might come back
So
together.
That's a
it's
happy
dangerous.
ending.
What is the weirdest reasons people give, or the lamest reasons when they want to break up?
You suck in bed.
Oh yes, you suck in bed.
You do good and I'm not good enough.
I had a friend who broke up because he couldn't go from Thane to CST to meet a girl. So
Cheating doesn't count, no?
no, that's like too silly.
That's insane. That's like you have to break up after cheating, obviously.
Bad breath.
मेरी नानी ने एक्चुअली मेरी शादी कहीं और फिक्स करा दी. The best part is
story
she
पे
believed it.
she believed it.
Not interested anymore.
And
That's my reason. नहीं हो नहीं रहा.
नहीं हो
चल
रहा.
नहीं रहा. नहीं.
But-
Open relationship रखते हैं.
We should do open relationships.
हाँ, ऐसी लड़कियाँ मिलती हैं मुझे आजकल.
I have to concentrate on my studies and
For my career.
Yeah.
Is there any difference when a girl breaks up and a guy breaks up?
When the girl breaks up, the guy is in tears. And when the guy
नहीं भाई, कोई बात नहीं भाई, और मिल जाएगी.
and when the guy breaks up, the girl parties.
The girl parties.
I
We
think
don't.
it's the same thing for the both of us. Like,
Yeah.
when girls cry.
Girls really getting drunk and go, like 'cause I would do that if I
If you
broke
break up, so
I would just go out, drink a lot, like have
take
fun,
it
but
out.
like the happy drinking, not like the sad, not the
not sulking
Tumhiho
one.
types.
Tumhiho
Yeah.
type.
But I feel like
Meet more guys, yeah.
Yeah.
Tinder, Tinder. I would totally go to Tinder.
Single लोगों का भगवान.
But I think the guys would be like,
They also drink it out.
yeah, but I think they would do the Tumhiho drinking out.
Yeah, they become the Devdas mode.
लड़के
Become this.
बहुत टाइम लेते हैं मूव ऑन होने. वो दिखाते ही हैं
हाँ, ये
कि
मुझे
अरे
बहुत
भाई
तरीके से आंसर
मुझे
मिला।
फर्क नहीं पड़ता, पर रोज रात को दारू शुरू हो जाती
भाई
है
जरा भाई वो चीज कर रहा है भाई.
और लड़कियां एकदम मूव ऑन हो जाती
Drink में हो जाता है. I think it's 1.5 drinks and I
Date
think
drink.
we are sorted. क्योंकि उतने में एक दूसरा लड़का आके बोलता है क्या ना भाई you drink.
है. देखा
The girls get into depression
Oh.
easily and guys are like
चिल मारे यार.
chill यार, मतलब
मतलब हमारे में
छुट्टी
emotion
मिल
ही नहीं
गई,
होते.
छुट्टी मिल गई, yeah, like that, छुटकारा मिल गया.
They might, use those tears for the wrong reason too.
The girls.
Yeah, to make the guys feel guilty. Many girls do that, and the guys fall for it. And
Do you think is the immediate reaction of a girl when the guy tells her, okay, it's over? The immediate reaction.
oh my god, what did he say?
नहीं, ये नहीं हो सकता.
कैसे हो गया?
ओह अच्छा.
Problem क्या है?
So किसको संभालना ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है ब्रेकअप के बाद, लड़का की लड़की?
Ladka, obviously.
लड़का obviously.
No, that's not true. It's difficult to handle a girl
Why do you say that?
because girl is more loyal to the relationship.
ये कहीं लिखा नहीं हुआ. It's not written.
Because it's a known fact. No, but the guy is difficult to handle.
Yeah, who depends on who's breaking up.
Yeah, it's always like
No, it's a mutual breakup. Then who
the
gets
guy.
more?
The guy. No. In my case, it's always been the guy. Too difficult to handle.
लड़की को ही आई गैस कि लौंडे तो एकदम मान जाते हैं कि यार मेरे से गलती हो गई, वापस आ जाओ, भागे भागे आएंगे नंगे पैर धूप में.
लड़कों को वही मैं बोलूँ चेप हो जाते हैं फिर उन्हें समझाने बैठो कि भाई बस यार अब हो
नहीं
गया
चाहिए तू।
नहीं चाहिए तू जा जा
परेशान
go
कितना चाहिए मुझे?
ET go home like that.
Guys,
Guys, मतलब
they're very
they
emotional
again
actually. Yeah.
cling on
And
to you.
It's a general fact that guys take time to get mature, so yeah.
हाँ ये होता है कि
So,
girls
yeah.
get mature.
Yeah, so-
She's very proud to be a feminist. Very proud. ये आज मैंने ब्रेकअप की पारी रख ली है. आजकल लोग ब्रेकअप करने के बाद पार्टी करते हैं. आप क्या करेंगे अगर आपका किसी से ब्रेकअप होता है? इस वीडियो को नीचे कमेंट करके हमें बताओ. इस वीडियो को लाइक करो, शेयर करो और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और देखते रहो बाप ऑफ बकचोद.